Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle I will do in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Almost weekend Friday, October the 29th, 2021. I've already solved two puzzles, 3 out of 6. The first one was a 3-star Sudoku, and second one a binary puzzle. This one I have a lot of troubles with this one, yes. 4 stars I will give this. The third and last one will be a tectonic. Yes, a tectonic with 4 stars. And this one will be number, let me see, this will be number 3610. 3610. Before I start, I've already counted the numbers, 9 printed numbers, and I've told you last time I have 8 printed digits, and puzzles with 9 for the Tectonic 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are very difficult to solve. Well, for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, we will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here box, there box, single box, always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual. Well, we have one dual box. It contains the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, only one. Yes, triple box. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple box. Oh wow, here again. The 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 or a 3. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 3. Quarter boxes. Do we have quarter boxes? Only here, quarter box. But I cannot fill those numbers. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, we have here the Z construction. Z, let me draw this. Okay. And remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But I see here a 1. So it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay. So here, this box it's the same number as that box. Okay. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Only one Z construction or Z shape figure. The T shape. I have here the T shape. Alright, and remember the T shape. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one T shape. Yes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And also here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. And then... Then. How about this? Well. This shape. Let me draw this shape. here. Yeah. Okay. This shape. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box, same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, more. Oh, I left one here. The previous. Now 4 of them. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, 2 or 3, but we have a 3 there. So it cannot be a 3. It should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. Okay. Alright. There are 2 of them. Okay. Then, one shape left, the L shape. Okay, the L shape. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 5 of them. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 5. Okay, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Let me see. Well, okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So this is not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers, so 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that in this quadrat box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, but also that box, we have a 1 here, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we have a double 3 there, so it's not a solution to place the 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Thinking this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, and those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. So in this area, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. But I cannot place the 1 here because this box is connected with that box. and we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Okay. Then. Let me think. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Think. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then. Well. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, or 2, 2, 4. Think. 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here, this box should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 in this area. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the number 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. This box, wait. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Okay. 5 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 here. The 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5, but now we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 5, 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4 because it is the same area, so definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. I think, don't think too much. 1, 2, 3. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes can it be a 5? So 1 box left for the 5 in this L shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And this box is connected with this. That box should be also 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 here. So can it be a 4? It should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. I give this rather a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like. Only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, playlists for the heavy, medium, light, quintuplet, killer Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.